Hey, welcome back, you guys. This is Sean and Alice
Bay Real experts.
with Coldwell Banker Realty in Panama City Beach, Florida. Where are we at today, Alice?
We are next to the St. Andrews State Park and right in front of
Park Place, St. Andrews Park Place. No one ever really talks about this condo because no one ever leaves it. Well, let's just jump straight into it. This is what you guys came for, so let's get that drone in the air. So this is a condo with only 20 units in it. And the reason that people don't talk about it is because no one ever leaves it. It never sells. So just as an example, the last condo that sold in here was in 2019, January 2019, sold for $700,000, and there were only 3 others that have sold in the last 10 years.
wow. Seems like a great place to be.
Yeah, it's got a coated, gated entrance. I'll give you a shot of that.
Hey, have you said that there's no short-term rentals here?
Cannot do short-term rentals here. That's probably another reason that people don't leave. It's got a coated, gated entrance. It's got a locked lobby. And the elevators are even coated. So if you don't live here, you don't belong here. Which is exactly why we are keeping the drone in line of sight, of course, but we're not actually going to be able to show you any of the common areas inside the condo, but we definitely can fly around it. We're pretty close to the state park, and a friendly officer already reminded me that I can't fly in the state park, which, yes, we know that. What other things did you want to talk about here, Alice?
I love this end of the beach because the buildings are fairly close to the water, and here it is, you can walk to the state park. You can walk to the closest restaurants. What is the name of the diver restaurant right here? Patches Pub.
So we lost signal to the drone, but we got it back now. So we're just gonna show you the surrounding areas. We got the state park right there. You can see the access to the Gulf in the left part of the screen. Alice, you were talking to us about some restaurants here. Why don't you start that bit over?
Yeah, if you have your golf cart, you can ride to Patches. Actually, you can walk to Patches, but then you can ride to Schooners, Scampi's, Captain Anderson's,
Yeah,
Sisters of the Sea, and the dive bar.
which is a really cool spot because they actually have a pool there. So if you wanted to bring anyone, kids, any age, anyone that wants to swim, can actually go into the pool while you're grabbing lunch or grabbing
Having
some
a
drinks.
margarita.
Right now, because of the coronavirus, I'm sure the pool isn't open, but check the date on this video. If the world is still around, it might be a great time to go over to Sisters of the Sea and the dive bar. There in the bottom of the screen, we have our subject back in view. This is the Park Place. Check out the pool. The pool is heated here too. If you're a resident here and you're thinking about selling, we would love to help you with that.
If you'd like to be on a mailing list, to buy here, we can also do that, and you have first eyes on anything that comes on the market. You know, have you noticed that this is one of the few condos that also have a garage
Yes.
detached?
Very, very, very cool. You know, it really is just kind of a very exclusive spot here. Even as we've been standing here, there's been a few people coming in and out of the driveway and the locked gates here, kind of looking at us like, what are you guys doing here? Even within our industry, with other real estate agents, no one really talks about this. I'm gonna see if I can get a view from the other side here real quick before we wrap this video up. There's some really great hotels nearby. If you're planning on visiting Panama City Beach and you would like to stay at one of the nicer places, we got Aquaview Motel that is close by. And there's even some places at Seychelles that are available to stay at short term. And then of course we have the Hampton Inn PCB, or Panama City Beach. All great choices. There's lots to do here in Panama City Beach. I'm gonna try and not lose the drone this time so I can show you guys a view. Of the building from the Gulf. Right next door is Moon Spinner. That's the building that you see on the left side. What we've been talking about is just here in the center of the screen, St. Andrews Park Place condominiums. If you're looking for other buildings that do rotate their inventory more frequently, that also don't offer short-term rentals, we can help you with that too. Give us a call. Our contact information is in the description below. We're gonna fly right over the top of the building now, and we're gonna say goodbye. There's the car. It's been a great day to fly with you guys. Please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Boy, it is really challenging trying to fly the drone and do my little outro. So give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have a subdivision or a condo that you want us to fly over and give you a bird's drone's eye view of what's around it.
In Panama City Beach.
We'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.